Chapter 3 My Shadow. In this poem, the poet describes his shadow. He thinks a separate story for each different size of the shadow. Come, let's read. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He's very, very like me, from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller, like an India rubber ball. And he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. He hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play, and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close beside me, he's a coward you can see. I would think it shame to stick to Nursie, as that shadow sticks to me. One morning very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Word meaning: heels, back part of the feet. Shoots, moves suddenly or quickly. Notion, an idea, a belief, or an understanding of something. Coward, a person who is not brave. Buttercup, a wild plant with small shiny yellow flowers that are shaped like cups. Errant, doing something that is wrong. Understanding the lesson. A. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Why does the shadow jump into the poet's bed before him? Answer. The shadow jumps into the poet's bed before him because the shadow is formed when the light is behind the poet and the shadow is in front of the poet. Question 2. Why does the poet think that the shadow does not grow like little children? Answer. The poet thinks that the shadow does not grow like little children because it is uneven in its size. Question 3. Why does the poet call his shadow a coward? Answer. The poet calls his shadow a coward because it stays so close beside him. Question 4. Why does the poet say his shadow was asleep in bed one day? Answer. The poet says his shadow was asleep in bed because there was no light at that time, that is morning, when there was no light any more couldn't find his or her shadow. B. Some adjectives have been used in this chapter. Complete this table by writing their comparative and superlative degrees.